I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up.
Ladies, booty bounce tennis.
I tell all my
Hey, I'm back with another video. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you are a new subscriber, my name is Jordan Janelle. But if you are old subby, what's happening? So today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys my skincare tips. I already have a skincare routine video up here. Before I say anything else, make sure you guys follow me on my social media. That's on Instagram at Adore My Locks, Twitter at Kiss My Cash with 4 H's, and on Snapchat at They Hate Jordan, because they do. So let's get into the video. Okay, number 1, drink your water. Drink water like crazy. If you were an alcoholic, the water would be your alcohol, so just like drink that water. Number 2, no touching. You have germs, they have germs, everybody has germs. I understand germs go around, but if we can stop that from just not touching our faces, you'll be okay. Like, no, it's just dirt everywhere. I don't like people touch my face. I don't. No touching. No. 3, okay, so we have all these hairstyles coming out, and you probably want to try something real weird and real cool. You probably want to be a trendsetter. Your hair carries dirt too. If you don't wash it every day, it carries dirt. That's just, it's dirt. So no hair on the face. 4, exfoliating brushes. This bad boy right here is a lifesaver. You do clean your face a whole lot when you use your rag and use your hand to put the cleanser on, but this bad boy, it's like Santa's little helper. It gets me. It understands me. Exfoliating is a plus. We have to exfoliate the skin. My skin's not perfect. I do get breakouts, okay? I'm human. I am a teenager. I'm not perfect. But when I do get breakouts, I use this bad boy every day actually. And I feel like my breakouts go away a whole lot faster. So get you an exfoliating brush if you're going with a bad breakout. Number 5, hot and cold. Hot water opens your pores and the cold water closes your pores. Basically, open my pores up. Put the cleanser on. Cold water, I take my rag and I'll wipe the cleanser off. Simple as 1, 2, 3. 6, okay, sweets. Like I said before, I'm a teenager. I like to eat sweets a whole lot. I just crave sweets. Watch what you eat. You can't be fat and say, I want to lose weight, leave the gym, go get Jersey Mike's. Because once you do that, then at that moment your brain is like,
yes.
Sugar. Sugar is probably one of the main causes of breakouts. Dirt and sugar. 7, wash your face every freaking day. Twice a day too. In the mornings and at night. Wash your hands. You cannot clean your face. Even if you use an exfoliating brush, you cannot clean your face with dirty hands. It does not add up. So do that and you're on the right track, buddy. 8, okay, so makeup. I don't really wear full faces of makeup. I'm a dancer, so when I go perform, I might do a full face. Even then, sometimes I'm still lazy, but I don't really wear makeup like that. There's nothing wrong with makeup. I freak with makeup, okay? Makeup is really nice, it's really cool, it's really cute. If you have the skin for it, do it. If you have talent, do it. If you want to do it, go for it. But don't come up in this belly with bumps and makeup. Oh my God. Clean your face before you decide to wear makeup. Even people that wear makeup might have 1 or 2 bumps every now and then, but do not try to get into makeup. Like, don't start off with bad skin. Like, let your skin clear up if you gotta experiment, because that's doing nothing but making it worse. You're clogging your pores up and it's not good. It's not a pretty sight. I promise you look stupid. Those are all the tips that I have for today. Make sure you follow me on my social media. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
dancing, girl, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, oh, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, oh, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, that, giddy up, taking over all, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.